Hey there, today I am here to give you a very important security tip about Facebook. Did you know that the Facebook account that you have, someone may be using it with you without your knowledge? Yeah, it is possible. The person can have full access to your Facebook account, will be able to read all your chats, even go ahead to use it to chat other people and do any other thing that he or she wants with it. Yeah. All right. So I'm here to teach you how to detect that. So come on, let's move to my phone screen. Let me teach you how to detect this in case you didn't know. Okay. All right. So here we are on my phone screen. And so the first thing we want to do is to make sure we are logged in to the Facebook account. So log into your Facebook account on whatever device you are using. So if you are using an Android, an Apple phone, a laptop, a tablet, just log into your Facebook account. So I'll do that here on my Facebook app. Okay. So once logged into your Facebook account, you want to locate the menu bar, the menu. Okay. So on the lower right hand corner, I can locate my menu bar there. Okay. If you are also using Facebook Lite on your Android phone, you may see it at the upper right hand corner here, and the symbol there is always three lines, some three lines that are always at the top right hand corner. So you click on that in your case, but in my case, I am tapping on the menu at the lower right hand corner here, as you can see. So I'll tap on that. Now the menu bar will open up, and then I will scroll down all the way to settings and privacy. Okay, so locate settings and privacy, tap on that, and the settings and privacy menu appears. Now we want to locate and tap on settings. Locate and tap on settings. Now under the settings, what we will be looking for, or what we are looking for, is not here, and so we'll tap on see more in account center. See more in account center, this writing in blue here. We want to tap on that, see more in account center. Now from there, let's move down to password and security. Password and security. Tap on password and security. Now scroll down all the way until you find where you are logged in. Where you are logged in. Where you are logged in. So tap on where you are logged in. Now you can see my accounts here. I have two accounts. One is my personal account and another is a page. Okay, it's a page. In your case, you may just see only your personal account if you don't have a page. So I want to use my page in this tutorial. So sorry, I'll be using my personal account instead, not page. So I'll tap on it. Okay, I'll tap on the page. Now let's look at something here. Let's analyze what is here. This is the information we are looking for. Now you can see account login activity. You are currently logged in on these devices. Okay, now this iPhone 13, the location is Accra, Ghana. This device, so this current device I'm using here, is what is logged in. Now we have what login on other devices. There are other devices that are using my Facebook account. Okay, this may be someone else. In your case, it may be someone who is using it and you don't know. Okay, so once you come and see, now you can see that in my case, we have Samsung Galaxy A14, which is using my account, and the last time it used it was today around 2:27 thereabouts. Now we also have another one, PC, that's Windows PC, also logged in Kumasi, Ghana, somewhere 3rd October. Okay, we also have an Android, also logged in Accra, Ghana, somewhere 2nd October. You can see all these devices are using it. But in my case, I was the one who used those devices to log in, and so they are saved there. But if you check and you realize that there's a certain device there that you didn't use to log into your Facebook account, then it means that your account is what? Compromised. Somebody is using your account. So what is now the way forward? After you have known this, you have known that these devices are using your account. What do you do? Now, don't worry, we'll solve it. What you have to do is to what? Tap on this, select devices to log out. So we want to log them out so that they will not be able to what, have access to your Facebook account. So you tap on what? Select devices to log out. So you tap on it. Now I'll now select all the devices that I think they are not mine. I didn't use them to log in. I'll just tap on it, then tap on what? Log out. But in my case, I'm the same person, so I wouldn't want to log out. So I'll just leave it. But once you select, you tap on what? Log out. And all of them will be logged out and they will not be able to what? Log in again. But mind you, they may be able to log in again if they have your password because they manage their way to log in. So to be on the safer side, after you have logged them out, go straight and change your password so that they will not be able to what, have access to your Facebook account.